Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find system. Now let's find the reset options, which is right here, actually in the middle of those options. And as you can see, on the very first position, we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it. And here your device is actually informing you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. Here we've got the information that we cannot undo this action. So reset settings if you're ready, and as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your REALME C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.